Hey guys, today I thought I would film a spend the day with me. I know you guys enjoy these. So I was gonna say I woke up bright and early. I did not. I woke up at 10:30 and the only reason for that was because my asthma nurse rang me. They're doing like phone checkups, so I had my yearly review where she always tells me off for not taking my inhaler enough. But anyway, she rang me up and obviously I'd just woken up, so I had a frog in my throat and I was like, hello. I literally sounded like Gollum. She was like deeply concerned. She was like, are you okay? She got me out of bed and then I went and had my breakfast in the garden. It is so hot today. I was gonna speak to you guys out there, but the man next door trimming his bush. I mean, it's gotta be done, but he was being loud, so I just thought I would come and start the vlog up here. And oh my god, I shaved the tops of my legs for the first time in legit about 6 months. When I'm single, I don't bother shaving the tops of my legs because the hair is blonde, you can't see it. The only time I notice it's there is if I graze my hand on my leg and I'm like, oh, is that a bear or is that a human leg? It's honestly hard to tell. But anyway, that's done. First task of the day ticked off. So I've done like a little bit of my makeup. I've been doing just a little bit of makeup, not every day, I will be honest. Like, I'm not sitting wearing makeup every day when I don't need to, but I do like just putting my makeup on to kind of make myself feel better. And this part of the video, I'm so excited, it's sponsored by Ofra, and you guys know Ofra is one of my favorite makeup brands ever. I rate their products so highly. They're honestly amazing. So I've done like a bit of my makeup and I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup showing you my Ofra favorites, like my holy grail products from Ofra that I absolutely would not be without, and I'm so excited to share them with you. So I'm gonna set up my proper camera and I'm gonna do the rest of my face. So this is my first absolute holy grail product from Ofra. This is the bronzer duo in River and it is part of their Samantha March collection. It's basically got a matte side and a shimmer side. I like to apply the matte side first and then I layer the shimmer side over the top, and it is just so beautiful. And I love that this is warm toned as well. Another bronzer that I love from Ofra that I've used for absolutely years is their Americana Bronzer. That one is absolutely gorgeous, and that one has kind of like, I wouldn't say a shimmer, but like a slight sheen to it, which is absolutely stunning. And then I just use a different brush to layer the shimmery side on the top, and it just makes your skin look so healthy. Their blushes are also absolutely gorgeous, and I am such a blusher fan. This is my favourite one. This is from their Madison Miller collection, and this is called All You Need Is Love, and it's just a beautiful matte peach. I really love this so much, and it works really well on top of the bronzer. Yes, I do apply this all over my face. It just gives you a really natural, like, flushed look, and I really like it. So if I was going to recommend one Ofra product to you, actually two, these are my absolute holy grails that I do not have substitutes for. So that would be their highlighters and their liquid lipsticks. I'll get to those in a minute, but their highlighters, honestly, I've never ever tried another highlighter from another brand that even compares. They're amazing. So basically the reason I love them so much, well, I'll show you my favourite shades first. My favourite shade for when I am pale is Star Island. This is such a beautiful pale gold. My favourite shade for when I've got a tan is Rodeo Drive, which is essentially just a darker gold. You can get that as a full pan obviously, but I'm going to use it in this highlighter, which I really like. This is called All of the Lights, and it contains 4 of their highlighter shades. So it contains Star Island, and then we've got Rodeo Drive here, which you can see is just an ever so slightly darker shade of gold, and then we've got Blissful, which is so beautiful when you've got a tan. If you're pale, you could easily use this as an eyeshadow. And we've got Pillow Talk here, which is just a beautiful pink, but it doesn't come off as pink as it looks in here. It's just really, really pretty. I am going to use my all-time favourite, which is Rodeo Drive today. So the reason why I love these so much is because they literally, they give you like the most amazing, like, look at that. That was like a couple of taps. You need the tiniest amount of product, and you can obviously build this up and go for an absolutely blinding highlight if that is your thing, but you can also create the most subtle glow with literally just tapping your brush in once. It's just amazing, and I've never tried another highlight like it. I absolutely love these so much, and I always just pop a little bit of my highlight onto my brow bone and onto my inner corner as well. In fact, I'm actually gonna dab my beauty blender over that because I don't want it to be as bright. I just kind of wanted to show you what you could do with this, and obviously you could build that up a lot more. I only put a small amount on, but this is just a holy grail for me. I love it so much, and these last forever because you literally, like I said, you only need the tiniest amount. So if you buy one of these, it's gonna last you a really, really long time. And if you've never tried Ofra's highlighters before, I do think All of the Lights is a really good one because you can just try a few shades. Next up, their Verified Liquid Liner is literally amazing. It applies so easily. It's got a felt tip and it's quite thin at the end. It's just really easy to control. I really like it. I find doing a cat flick on camera just so difficult, like so difficult, but we'll give it a go. I'm gonna have to not speak though. So you guys know a red lip and a cat flick is my vibe. It's just my go-to look. I love it. This liquid liner, by the way, I just love. Like I said, it goes on so smoothly. It dries matte. I love it so much. And as you can see, I have lined my lips ready for my liquid lipstick. I've overlined them so much. Honestly, I haven't had lip fillers in almost a year and I just don't have any left at this point. So I've just used a random red liner, to be honest. I don't stick to one. I don't have any particular favourites. I just use whatever's at hand. But I have one liquid lipstick that I always go back to for my red, and it is this one. It is Brickell, and I would not be without this in my makeup collection. It is my all-time favourite red. It is my most worn red. I also do use Atlantic City from Ofra as well. Both are absolutely amazing, but this just seems to be the one that I reach for the most. They are very, very similar, but what I love the most about these is that they feel so comfortable on your lips, and I find liquid lipsticks to be quite uncomfortable just to wear out. I'm gonna close this so it doesn't dry up while I'm speaking, but yeah, I find them just when I'm out and about just a bit uncomfortable, like I have to wear a balm on top of them usually, or a gloss, but with these I literally don't, and they last for so long. I've been on nights out with these and not had to top it up. I just love this so much, and it applies so nicely. It feels so nice. Like that colour, I love it. And I'll show you throughout the day, because I'll obviously leave this on, how long it lasts. Like it lasts through, hang on, I'm gonna apply this and then speak to you guys. And that is my face done. I feel like myself now. Honestly, a cat flick and a red lip is just me. You know how you have that makeup look that is you? This is me. This is where I feel most at home. But yeah, I love this so much. It's just, in my opinion, the best red lipstick ever. And you'll see, like when I have my lunch and stuff, that it literally, like, it will last throughout eating, throughout drinking. When I go on a night out, sometimes I won't have to top this up. The only time I have to top it up is if I have some like cheeky chips or something while I'm out, and then it's literally just like in the middle. I literally just need one little swipe to top it up, and that's it. It's a perfect thing to wear if you don't want to worry about your lipstick moving throughout the day or the night, because it doesn't transfer. It's so great. So if you guys want to pick up any of the items that I've mentioned, I do have my Ofra code for you guys. It is just Kate in capital letters for 20% off. And I am gonna get myself back outside now because honestly, it is so hot today. Even though the sun's actually gone in, but it's really, really hot and it's meant to rain for the next week and it looks like the foreseeable future. I checked the weather forecast and it's not looking good. So I'm gonna make the most of this weather. This rose bush is literally my favourite thing ever. And we've got a little bird bath down here which needs refilling. It's filthy now and it's full of rose petals, but it is so cute. It's just really nice watching the birds have a little wish. So I've just had my lunch. I didn't film it because I was absolutely starving. I just wolfed it down, but I just wanted to show you my lipstick. It literally just hasn't even faded. Like, it's faded the tiniest amount, but you can't really tell. And yeah, I'm just gonna make myself a cup of tea. I'm gonna go and sit outside, even though the sun's gone. It's still hot though, so I'm gonna go and sit outside and I'm gonna go and do a bit of work. And this is the tea that I'm gonna drink. I love this so much. It's a dreamy blend of oat flower, lavender and lime flower. The cat literally drags these tea bags out of my tea. If she sees me, she loves this. It's like catnip. I don't know what is in it that cats love, but she goes crazy for it. And if we come up here to the end of the garden, we've got my favourite little place. This is literally my happy place. I love it so much. I'm just moving the cushions, get myself comfy. Oh, I'll show you around. So it's basically just like a little summer house and it's got loads of cute little trinkets in. We've got a sofa which I've just totally messed up, sauce. And then this is where I keep my mushrooms. Do you remember my mushrooms from our 2017 YouTube background? That's where they live now. And I absolutely, oh, I just love it in here. It's just so cute. I quite often just come out here and like read or work. This angle is absolutely terrible, but I've left my tripod outside, so it's what we're working with. How are you guys getting on anyway? I feel like I haven't spoken to you in like a chatty video in ages and I miss you guys. Leave me a comment and let me know how you've been doing. 2020 has been such a weird one, like just so weird. I feel like the world is just turning itself upside down. So much darkness is coming to light. Like, so many things are happening, but I feel like ultimately it is the earth healing and humanity healing, and we're seeing so many ways in which like we could do things better, and I don't know, I think that is ultimately a good thing, right? But honestly, like 2020 has just been so strange. Some days I feel like happy and fine, but then other days I just feel like strange. Like, I don't even know how to describe it, but just like strange. Like not down, but just odd, like a bit sort of discombobulated, you know? Just like a bit scatterbrained and just a bit all over the place. Have any of you guys experienced that? It's a full moon in a few days actually, so I think what I'm going to do is I like to kind of meditate on a full moon and do my manifestations and all of that. So I'm gonna write down and prepare for the full moon, and I'm gonna write down some things that I want to manifest for myself, like personal goals, for the world, all that stuff. So I think I'll do that tonight after I've had my bath and my dinner. Ready left. That'll have to do. Just got out of the bath and I'm finishing off my skincare routine, so I thought that I would sit here and show you the Ofra products that I include in my skincare routine. This is their Biotech Eye and Lip Cream. They've got new packaging on all of their skincare as well, and I really like this. I've got a full skincare routine on my IGTV if you want to go and check that out, like using Ofra products, but I absolutely love them and I go in depth into them as well. And I've been using their Collagen Serum. I really like this. It is so nice, so smooth. Collagen, if you don't know, is what keeps our skin elastic and looking youthful. youthful and lovely, and it's produced in smaller quantities as we get older, so it's a nice little boost for me. And I finish off my skincare routine with their Peptide Moisturizer. So this is just a really nice kind of anti-aging moisturizer. It's green and oh, it feels so nice on my skin. I absolutely love it. It's got like the most delicate fragrance as well, but it's so nice. It smells like a spa. So I'm gonna go and moisturize my bod now, and then I've got a jacket potato in the oven, so hopefully that will be ready. So I know this is literally the most basic dinner ever, but I love just a jacket potato with pepper and this margarine, like vegan butter. It is the best thing in the world, even if you're not vegan. I'm not vegan, and this is legit like the best thing in the world. It tastes like Lurpak. It's made with rapeseed oil, coconut oil, shea butter and almond butter, and it is literally like I said, tastes like Lurpak. It is the best thing in the world, and I'm just gonna have this with a bit of salad. And I forgot to mention, but you can get this in Sainsbury's, so I would assume that you can get it in most supermarkets. So I've had my dinner. I'm gonna make myself another cup of nighttime tea, and I'm just gonna chill and watch a bit of telly and stuff. So I thought I would sign off here since I'm not doing anything very exciting, but I hope you are doing really well. And yeah, come and chat to me in the comments. Give the video a cheeky little thumbs up as always if you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.